Alright guys, so today I got the truck and I'm going to be installing something pretty awesome that every newer F-150 needs. Any F-150 that has that really glossy door pillar. I found this on one of the Facebook groups and I emailed the company. The company is ProTech, and they contacted me back and they sent me over a kit to review, and they set me up for an affiliate program, and so I can now get you guys 15% off of this. So if you guys look in the description below, there'll be a link and everything. You just click on that, and yeah, you can save yourself 15%. So yeah, I'm going to show you what exactly came in the kit and show you how it's installed. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go over what came in the kit. So when you get everything, like the pillars, the cluster, the dash or the display, the touchscreen display, it will come with this. So it comes with a microfiber towel, a squeegee to apply the film, and then it comes with a bigger spray bottle. All you have to do is just add water. It's pretty straightforward. I'll show you guys in a second. Then it also comes with this little guy. This one is just also add water. There's a little fluid in there. You can't really see, but it's in there. And then here is the touchscreen display. Now I got two of them in case something messes up. Make sure you guys select this option when you guys are checking out, because it's well worth it. In case you mess something up, you got two of them and you don't have to worry, wait for shipping or anything. It's pretty cheap. It's well worth it. Just trust me, just buy the extra set. You won't regret it. And so yeah, this is the touch display. This right here is the cluster. I don't know if you guys can make that out. It's just the cutout of it. And then here are the pillars. This is what I'm mainly focused on, because this is a pretty big deal for us four guys. Those pillars get scratched up and they just look horrible. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how to install the pillars, and then I'll show you guys how to install the cluster and the touchscreen display. Guys, so I got my spray bottle right here, and I'm just gonna fill it up with lukewarm water. So I just filled it up to 24 ounces. I don't think I'll need any more than that. So now I'm just going to give it a good shake, and then we're going to go over and I'm going to show you guys how to spray it on. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a quick spray down / clean. Nothing too fancy, just get it nice and wet. I'm going to come in with my own microfiber towel just because I feel like it's going to pick up a little more dirt. You don't have to go crazy. Just get just good cleaning in there. Flip your rag around. You don't want any dirt or anything on here. Alright, so next what you're going to want to do is spray it down again. Get it nice and wet. Then you're going to grab your first piece right here. I guess it goes this way. Yep. So as you fold it down, you don't want to touch it and get all your oil and greasy fingers on it, so just wet it as you go. Got it all wet now. Now I'm going to go in and place it on the pillar. Just like that. Then I'm going to grab my squeegee and fold it like so I don't scratch the vinyl. And I'm going to line it up nicely. you're just gonna come all the way down. Try not to make it move too much. Now if you guys can see, this side has it installed and this side doesn't, and look at all those swirls. And my truck's pretty new, it doesn't even have 30,000 kilometers on it. And it still has swirls like crazy, as you can see. And then you come over here, nothing. That's pretty awesome. You can see a slight more shine on the left side. I mean, I gotta wipe it down and clean a little better, but you get it already just from the initial install. So much better. Alright guys, so I'm just on the inside. I'm gonna give this a quick clean. Try not to get everything soaking wet. Squishy it down just to get any fingerprints or any residue off, like hair or anything. Give it a quick one more, because you're gonna be looking at this. You don't want anything in there like that hair. Much water. Alright. I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to give it one squirts. And then I'm going to grab my film. Do the same thing as the pillar. Give it squirts as you go. Get your finger wet. Peel it off. Spray down, come back over here, and place her in, but she don't fit. Oh, she fits. There we go. And do a quick spray over, and then grab your squeegee. Okay, line her up. Get where you want her. Likes to move around a lot. I think that's just because I like to use a good amount of soapy water. But once you get a good amount out, it starts holding a lot better. Alright guys, so same thing for this guy. Wipe down. Wipe around because you don't want dust going in and hair like that other one. Alright, grab another spray. Grab your squeegee. It's a little hard getting in on this one. Sorry about the camera angles if it's hard to see. It's hard to even do, not gonna lie. It's a little bit finicky, that's alright. So there we go. Alright. Spray ski. And we're going to grab our film. Squirts. Make sure you get your finger wet before you touch her. That's just a rule you should always know though. to finagle it around. It is a bit larger, so it fits inside and behind the plastic trim, which is really nice. I like that. That's an awesome thing that they do. Here's a little squeegee. Any bubbles you can just press right out. I like that a lot. It's a nice film if it can do that. Alright guys, so there's the pillars looking beautiful. Just a little dirty, I gotta wipe them down. And then the cluster looks awesome. The touchscreen, phenomenal. I'm so surprised at how nice this product works. There's no scratches anymore. I didn't have very many to begin with, but there's none at all now. It is awesome. If you guys haven't heard of this product before or this company, you guys definitely need to check it out. ProTech, you guys are doing something right, because that looks phenomenal. I'm so happy with it, and I have a couple left over, and just in case something ever happens now. I did have to redo the first one just because I messed it up, and I didn't like the way it turned out, so good thing I did have that extra set. So make sure you guys do it, because even I can mess it up, and I've done this many times. So yeah, you guys definitely got to check it out. The link is in the description. Make sure you use that link. Gets you 15% off. And when you go into checkout, make sure you guys use my code NickMeinert15, and you guys will get that 15% off. Alright, so make sure you guys check it out, and you guys will love the way, you guys will be very happy with how this turns out. I love it. Can't be happier. Okay guys, so if you like this product, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this kit. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, comment down, doesn't matter what you say as long as you guys comment, and make sure you're subscribed. So just do those 3 things if you guys want to enter a chance to win the giveaway. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys definitely like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and there's a lot more to come. Thanks for watching.